Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? And I hope you are doing amazing, wonderful in your life. This is your general love reading for December 2020. This is your reading for sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign Aquarius. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation. Okay, gender is not specific here, so take the gender as according to your situation. And please like and share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the messages which are important for you. So let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. And one more thing, thank you so much for giving lots of love to the channel, for commenting and for liking my video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So let's start your reading, and one card just started it out. Your reading is starting out with Ace of Swords. You are getting some kind of clarity, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, I am having King of Swords. So let's see what are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. Please help me out to deliver the messages which are important to deliver to my lovely Aquarius all over the world. Emperor. Okay. Let me see. What are the messages? Please help me out, guide God spirits and this fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out. Six of Pentacles, Nine of Swords and King of Swords. Okay. Help me out to deliver the message. Hangman. Then Six of Swords. Okay. Aquarius. Let me see all the cards first, then I'm going to tell you any other message which is important to tell. Please help me out to deliver all the messages which are important. Nine of Pentacles. Some of you are single and abundant in own way, in own terms. You are enjoying your singlehood. You're coming towards a calmer water. Any other message? Wow. Seven of Cups and Empress. Wow, Emperor and Empress both are there in your reading, Aquarius. King of Cups and Queen of Cups. Both are there. Aquarius, you are dealing with your soul mate. Bottom of the deck, I'm having High Priestess. So you are using your intuitions. And there is someone who is your divine counterpart. Okay. There are some secrets hidden from you, Moon and the Strength. It was like this, Strength and the Moon. Okay. You're keeping your strength with you, but there are some secrets hidden from you. Either you are thinking like that, or what is it? Queen of Wands. Okay. Any other message? Any other message? Bottom of the deck, I'm having World card. You're completing some kind of karmic cycle, Aquarius. What is happening in your case? I'm having all the pairs here. King of Pentacle, Queen of Pentacle. Okay. There is someone which is coming your way at a slow pace, Aquarius, which is toxic, which is devil. Okay. And there is some third party situation going on in your case. You are protecting yourself, your defenses are high. Can you see Nine of Wands? But someone is there who is rushing towards you too. But there are some secrets hidden from you, and you know that. There is someone who is the Queen of Wands. This person is coming your way. There is someone who is very passionate, attractive, creative, mysterious. Okay, they are rushing towards you with the Knight of Swords. Can you see? They are rushing towards you, but you are guarding yourself. You are protecting your energy. You are creating a boundary around you. Okay, why you are creating a boundary around you? Because you know that this person is toxic. This person put you in a third party situation, and they coming towards you. They're coming towards you. They will. Justice is being served in your case. Finally, you are choosing the right choice. Basically, justice is there. Okay, so there is a justice served in your case, Aquarius. You have choose the right one, which is your soulmate, basically, because there are two energies in your reading. The karmic one is approaching you. They are trying to interfere in your life. They are trying to enter in your life, basically. I'm getting the, but you are getting clarity that what's your match. What's your match? You're getting the clarity that who is your emperor. They're giving you equal amount of give and take. This emperor is trying to give you equal amount of give and take. Okay. After spending sleepless nights, you are taking the energy of King of Swords, Aquarius. You are someone who knows the truth now. You are someone who is ready to cut any lies, cheating, manipulation going on around you. You will cut them immediately. But some of you are feeling like an hangman, or you are unable to move in a forward direction, but you are coming towards the calmer waters, Aquarius. Okay, with the Six of Swords. And now you are getting to know that you are happy, abundant in your own way. Okay, you are someone who is very happy alone. Maybe you are having lots of options. You're exploring lot of options. Seven of Cups. And you are rising as an empress. Let me adjust my cards first, okay, because today I'm having lots of cards for you. Okay, I'm in a good mood today. My energy is high. Okay. Okay, Aquarius, you are completing some kind of karmic cycle. What kind of karmic cycle you are completing? You're completing a karmic cycle, okay, with someone. Okay, you know that you are someone who is the empress. You want someone so that you know your worth, basically, Aquarius. You know that you are very mothering, caring, nurturing figure. Okay, and there is a pair here, the King of Cups and Queen of Cups. Okay, here is a pair again, and both pair are coming together. You both are offering the cup to each other. Okay, but you both are keeping strength. Okay, you're keeping your strength with you. Okay, because there are some secrets hidden from you. You know this. There are some secrets. Some of you can be dealing with water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. You are keeping your eyes open, basically. Okay, you know that this other person, the karmic one, will going to enter in your life. Okay, they will interfere your life. Queen of Wands, this is someone who is the third one. Okay, the third party, I can say, the third one in your life, other than your soulmate. One is your soulmate and one is your karmic one. That's what I'm seeing right now. Okay, so they are coming your way back again to approach you. Okay, they are very passionate, or they see you as someone who is very passionate, attractive, creative. Okay, so there are some secrets hidden from you, Aquarius. What is the secret hidden from you? That is that they are rushing towards you. Can you see there is Knight of Swords? So they are rushing towards you. They are coming towards you to approach you. But you are protecting yourself. Can you see this? I can tell you like this. They are rushing towards you to approach you, but you are guarding yourself. You are saying no. No, I'm protecting myself. I know that this person is not good for me. This person is toxic for me. And that's true. This person is not good for you. See this? You are protecting yourself because this is the devil one. This is someone who is very toxic, narcissist, controlling, okay, obsession, anything which they are doing excessive is devil, okay, excess. And they're putting you in a third party situation, three of swords, okay, hurts, lies, past hurts. 1133 was the recording reading time, heartaches. They always put you in a third party situation. They broke your heart many times, and now you know this fact that they will only screw you, basically, screw you up. Always. That's why you are protecting yourself. You're getting your clarity. That's why you're getting your clarity that this is not your match. The one who is toxic one is not your match. And slowly, Knight of Pentacles, it has you on the result. You have taken a lot of time to come this conclusion, Aquarius, and justice has been served in your case. Okay, you have chosen the right option. You get to know about that slowly. This is the slowest deck. Okay, Knight of Pentacles. With the time, you have taken a lot of time to investigate. You have taken a lot of time, lot of years to come to this conclusion that this person is toxic, this person is not good for me, this is not my match. You have get to know this. And when you get to know the clarity, when you get to know that your what is your worth, Aquarius, here it is. Here it is. The King of Pentacle and the Queen of Pentacle, your divine counterpart, your soulmate, your divine counterpart is here. You are coming to a conclusion, basically. You have taken lot of time to come towards a conclusion, okay, and as a result you're getting finally justice. Okay, finally you are putting a justice to yourself also, that now I know that this person is not good for me, this is not my match, this is someone who will come towards me, play with me, they will put you in a third party situation, they are very toxic, they are obsessive, they are controlling. Okay, they are not good at all for you. That you came to know slowly but surely. Okay, you're getting the truth to be known. You know the truth. You know the truth now. There is a match here, Aquarius, for you. I have Emperor and Empress, King of Cups and Queen of Cups, okay? And there is someone who is not your match, and that is Queen of Wands, okay? That one is very toxic. Yeah, right. See, that's what. Poised. That is someone who is very poised. Okay, that is not good for you. That is not good for you. You are coming to a realization, basically, Aquarius, that you have taken all the things, all the steps, whatever things you can take. You are bringing light to something. Okay, Aquarius, when you see when you are confident and happy in your own skin, you are ready for deeper, more intimate relationships. You have nothing to prove right now. You're completely yourself and can handle anything. Love, friendships, and harmonious new connections are all present now and are coming. You are ready to give and receive from the heart. This is the beautiful place to be, right? Now you're getting your clarity basically. Okay, the Ace of Swords. Okay, you're getting your clarity. You know that this is not good for yourself, for your life, for your soul. This person is not good at all. Okay, and that's why you're putting a justice to yourself, okay, for your life, for your soul, that this is not the right one. This is not the right one for you, and you're putting an end to that. You know that this person will approach you, this person is rushing towards you, but you are not accepting them. You are putting a guard on yourself, okay, because you know that this person is toxic. They will always hurt you. Let me add some oracle, and in the extended I'm going to take these cards in a deeper level. Okay, I'm going to clarify these cards so that I can get more clarity. Strength card again. You need to keep more strength, Aquarius, with you. Okay, keep your strength with you. You are on a right path. Okay, Temperance. Strength and the Temperance, right? You need to keep your patience with you. You have to keep your strength with you. Okay, just you are doing the right way. Okay, yeah. Bottom of the deck I'm having Hangman. Don't be in this energy of Hangman, Aquarius. Okay, again the High Priestess has come for you. Use your intuitions. Your intuitions are guiding you properly. They are telling you the truth, and the Tower moment is there. So they are telling you the right thing. They are telling you the right picture, the right person for you. And you know that you know this thing. The sun is there. And the sun is, and you are manifesting it, Aquarius. Okay, Magician is there. So Magician belongs to Aquarius. You can manifest anything, whatever you want in your life. Okay, so you are manifesting something. And what are you manifesting? You are manifesting new beginnings in love, new beginnings in career, new beginnings in life. So you are manifesting new beginnings, and here it is. Okay, you're starting something new. You're putting an end to the toxic one, to the karmic one. You are getting your clarity that this is not someone who is made for me basically. Okay, you're getting to know this, and that's very good, Aquarius. Okay, because there is someone who wants to give you equal amount of give and take. Okay, this Emperor wants to give you equal amount of give and take. And after spending lots of sleepless nights, my dear lovely Aquarius, you have spent lots of sleepless nights. You are getting the clarity. You're getting to know the truth. King of Swords, you're getting to know the truth that this is not the one who is made for you. Okay, maybe some of you are still feeling like an hangman. But don't worry, Aquarius. Don't be in that situation or energy, because you are coming towards the calmer waters. Okay, and after coming towards the calmer waters, you are single, abundant, happy. You get to know this. You get to know that you deserve best. Maybe you are exploring lot of options. You are having lot of options right now. Okay, and you're rising as an Empress. You know your worth. You know that you are someone who has to be treated right. Okay, you are someone who has to treat right basically. And there is a pair here again. Okay, they are pair, but there is someone who is not good for you. That's the Queen of Wands. They are rushing towards you, Aquarius. They're coming back to approach you, but justice will be served in your case. Okay, the justice will be served in your case. Why? Because you are getting to know your truth, that this is, you're getting your clarity, you're getting your truth, you're getting this. Can you see King of Swords and Ace of Swords? You know the truth, you're getting your clarity, that what is right for you. And that's very good. When you know the clarity, when you know that what is right for you, you choose the right one. Okay, so there are one who is not good for you, who is the toxic one, the devil one, who put you in always in a third party situation, who has already broke your heart so many times. Okay, they have put all the swords in your heart basically. Can you see this heart in which There are all swords are there in this heart. So they have put all the swords every time in your heart. Okay, and this person is secretive. They put all the secrets with you. Okay, this energy is someone who's mysterious, and with this moon card they are secrets hidden from you. You don't know this, but they are rushing towards you. They're coming towards you. They are coming towards you, Aquarius. Okay, that's what I see here. But you are putting a stop here. That's what I saw here. That no, wait a minute. I know the clarity, I know the truth, that you are going to put me in a third party situation. You are going to break my heart again. You are going to play with my emotions and you will vanish again. You know this. That's why the justice is being served in your case, because when you know the difference between the karmic one and the soulmate, the karmic soulmate and the twin flame soulmate, life partner soulmate, whatever you can call it, then you make a right decision. You're choosing the right one. Very good. Proud of you. So this was your love reading, Aquarius, for December 2020. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And in the extended, I am going to do your reading in a deeper way. Okay, I'm going to clarify these cards in a deeper way so that I can get to know more details. Okay, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and take care of yourself, my lovely, beautiful, magical beings. Sending you lots of love, light and lots of happiness, Aquarius, to all of my beautiful magical beings. Okay, till the time, take care of yourself, Aquarius. And please, Aquarius, you already know the truth. I'm not going to repeat it again. Okay, that's what I'm getting to know from your reading. You already know the truth. You already have that clarity. You don't have any kind of confusion, but the karmic one will still try to approach you. Okay, they will still try to enter in your life. If you have not learned the lesson, you can welcome them again and learn the lesson. Okay, but they are not going to stay more in your life. Okay, they will hurt you. They will put you in a third party situation. The main difference between the karmic soulmate and the life partner soulmate is the karmic one will always teach you a lesson. Okay, they will hurt you. They will put you in a third party situation. They are not going to commit you. Okay, they will be never be loyal one. Okay, and the soulmate, which is your life partner soulmate, is someone who is the loyal one. They will not going to put you in a third party situation. They will give you commitment. They will try every single step to make you feel happy and worthy. Okay, so that's the difference between a soulmate, life partner soulmate, and the karmic soulmate. Karmic soulmates are always obsessive. Okay, they are always controlling, so narcissist. Okay, so I don't know why today I'm trying to tell you this, but I am getting my intuition to give you a brief about karmic one and the life partner one, because here I'm seeing there is someone who is the karmic soulmate for you, and there is someone who is your life partner soulmate. You have to choose carefully, and you are choosing carefully, Aquarius. You're making a decision for your life, and that's very good that you're coming towards the calmer waters by choosing the right decision for you. Okay, by choosing the difference between the karmic and divine counterpart. And till the time, take care of yourself, Aquarius. See you soon.